We are the Scelva team, and we are motivated to present to you an eco-campus, a campus where your concerns about environmental issues are being taken seriously, a campus in which you can fight for your causes, and one that cares about our planet's future. By taking advantage of the €3 billion program that the government launched to retrofit public buildings, our eco-campus will base itself on the UN's 17 Sustainable Development Goals. We'll be discussing different ways in which these 17 goals can be met through the management of green spaces, waste, water, energy, transport, and more.
Transport is a very important topic in a context of climate change. Now, we have to engage a new way of moving around in order to reduce our greenhouse gas emission. The solution is soft mobility. Soft mobility includes all ways of getting around under your own steam, like cycling, walking, or roller skating. This eco-campus will promote all types of soft mobility, but the main effort will be focused on promoting cycling. To do so, we would like to propose financial aid to organize an association life about cycling and to develop infrastructure such as bike paths.
Buildings are places we are spending most of the time. They are also using a lot of resources. They are also using a lot of energy and particularly embodied energy. That's why pre-building impact assessment is more than important. We want to make a pre-building impact assessment and use biosourced materials. As well as, for walls, we'll be able to use a soy straw, hemp, and lime. For insulation, we can use wood wall. The objective is to create passive buildings. A domotic program that collects and translates data to manage energy, comfort, air quality, and the occupation of space and room can be used. Energy is also an important issue when you want to create an eco-campus. The first thing is to orient the building to maximize the effect of the sun on the lighting and the temperature. To complete the heating of the building, corner heating technology can be a good idea. This technology uses warm product by computer. In addition to having a good heating system, we can use vegetal wool to increase insulation. The Glowy company has developed a new way of lighting that will be used to complete the lights produced by LEDs. This technique uses natural glowing bacteria to enlighten the eco-campus. This technology is already tested globally.
Our eco-campus's waste management has one motto: reduce, reuse, and recycle. By reducing unnecessary consumption and reusing materials, we prevent many objects from going to waste. Recycling will also be key, and our campus will make sure to facilitate that. Simple practices such as replacing plastic with biodegradable materials, putting in place second-hand shops to reuse items, and making different garbage bins available all throughout the campus can immensely make waste management eco-friendly.
Concerning the management of green spaces, our campus will increase the use of these spaces by having areas of education outside. We'll also promote the cohabitation of horticultural and spontaneous vegetation by setting up biological corridors in order to favour biodiversity. The implementation of small agricultural plots and greenhouses with vegetable cultivation will provide food for the university's restaurant. A storage and composting unit will be created on campus to avoid transport impacts of the vegetable waste. Concerning the use of vegetable waste, we are planning on implementing chicken coops. Chicken farming is an excellent way to reduce organic and food waste, as 2 hens can absorb around 150 kilos of vegetable waste per year. We're also planning on installing beehives to favour plant pollination, especially for the vegetable gardens. The creation of a mini-farm would help create a link between students and animals in order to bring them closer to nature.
Well, you need to eat well. Focusing on food is very important because by food waste, plastic waste, and dishes, it constitutes a real source of pollution. In order to change this, the future eco-campus will focus on 2 main topics: reducing food wastage and promoting a local, organic, and good quality food.
De France, it flies. Hence, we need to preserve it. Turning off the tap is a good start, but conspicuously not enough. In the meantime, we need to implement as many hydro-efficient systems as we can. Then, we have to change the way we think. Rainwater is not only a constraint threatening cities from flooding. It is a fantastic resource that we can harvest and then reuse for domestic use. Thereby, implementing a differentiated management of the rainwaters is the key. Besides, the combination with phytopurification will improve water quality and enhance biodiversity.
Finally, we will increase the awareness and involvement of the students by organizing a festival. It will promote ecology through different activities, for instance, a giant garage sale. Reusable cups will be used during the festival too. We will also create a green association which will provide money for the festival. The association will also supervise the promotion of gender and social equality because we want our campus to take into consideration environmental issues but also to be inclusive. So this is a campus we, the Scelva team, created for the Eco Campus Challenge. So thank you for listening and vote for us!